Have you ever felt trapped by your own negative thoughts? It's like being in a room with no windows, where every corner is filled with doubt and worry. Negative thinking can hold us back from reaching our full potential, affecting our mental well-being and overall happiness. But what if I told you there are powerful strategies you can use to break free from this cycle and transform your mindset? In this video, we will explore 5 powerful strategies to help you overcome negative thinking and embrace a more positive outlook on life. Negative thinking is a common challenge that many of us face. It can manifest in various forms such as self-doubt, pessimism, and constant worry. These thoughts can creep into our minds, often without us even realizing it, and take a toll on our mental health and daily lives. Negative thinking can make us feel anxious, stressed, and unmotivated, impacting our relationships, work, and overall quality of life. The first step in overcoming negative thinking is to become aware of it. Awareness is the key to understanding how these thoughts affect us and recognizing when they occur. Mindfulness, the practice of being present and fully engaged in the moment, is a powerful tool for developing this awareness. By being mindful, we can observe our thoughts without judgment and start to see patterns in our thinking. One of the most effective ways to shift your mindset from negative to positive is by practicing gratitude. Gratitude is the simple act of recognizing and appreciating the good things in your life. When we focus on what we are grateful for, it becomes harder to dwell on negative thoughts. Gratitude has numerous psychological benefits. It can improve our mood, increase our happiness, and even strengthen our immune system. By regularly practicing gratitude, we can train our brains to look for the positive aspects of our lives rather than fixating on the negatives. To incorporate gratitude into your daily routine, try keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down 3 things you are grateful for. They can be big or small, anything from a warm cup of coffee in the morning to the support of a loved one. You can also practice gratitude affirmations. These are positive statements that remind you of the good things in your life. For example, you might say, "I am grateful for my health and the ability to move my body." Another powerful strategy for overcoming negative thinking is to challenge and reframe your negative thoughts. This technique, known as cognitive restructuring, involves questioning the validity of your negative thoughts and replacing them with more positive and realistic ones. Negative thoughts often come from irrational beliefs or cognitive distortions. These are inaccurate ways of thinking that can make situations seem worse than they are. For example, you might have a tendency to catastrophize, imagining the worst possible outcome in any situation. Or you might engage in all or nothing thinking, seeing things in black and white terms without recognizing the shades of gray. To challenge your negative thoughts, start by identifying them. Pay attention to the thoughts that arise in response to different situations and write them down. Then, ask yourself questions to evaluate these thoughts. Are they based on facts or assumptions? What evidence supports or contradicts them? Are there alternative explanations or perspectives? Once you have examined your negative thoughts, try to reframe them in a more positive and realistic light. For example, if you think, "I always mess up," you might reframe it as, "I make mistakes sometimes, but I also learn and grow from them." This process takes practice, but over time it can help you develop a more balanced and positive outlook. Positive affirmations are another effective tool for combating negative thinking. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce a positive self-image and mindset. They work by influencing your subconscious mind, helping to replace negative beliefs with positive ones. The power of affirmations lies in their ability to shape your thoughts and attitudes. When you consistently repeat positive statements, You begin to internalize them, and they become part of your belief system. This can boost your self-esteem, increase your confidence, and reduce negative thinking. To create effective affirmations, keep them positive, present tense, and specific. For example, instead of saying, "I will be happy," say, "I am happy and content." Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably in front of a mirror. This practice can feel awkward at first, but with consistency, it can have a profound impact on your mindset. Visualization is a technique that involves creating mental images of positive outcomes and experiences. This practice can help you overcome negative thinking by allowing you to focus on positive possibilities rather than dwelling on negative scenarios. Visualization works by engaging your imagination and activating the same neural pathways that are involved in real experiences. This can help you build confidence, reduce anxiety, and reinforce positive beliefs. Successful people in various fields, from athletes to entrepreneurs, often use visualization to achieve their goals and maintain a positive mindset. To practice visualization, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. Then, imagine a positive scenario in vivid detail. It could be achieving a goal, overcoming a challenge, or simply experiencing a moment of joy and peace. Try to engage all your senses in the visualization. See the colors, hear the sounds, feel the emotions. The more vivid and detailed your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Mindfulness meditation is a practice that involves focusing your attention on the present moment and observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. This practice can help you break free from negative thinking by allowing you to become more aware of your thoughts and develop a greater sense of control over them. Mindfulness meditation has numerous benefits for mental health. It can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance emotional regulation. By practicing mindfulness, you can learn to observe your negative thoughts without getting caught up in them, which can reduce their impact on your mood and behavior. To practice mindfulness meditation, find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Then, focus your attention on your breath, noticing the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. You can also practice mindfulness by focusing on different parts of your body, known as a body scan meditation, or by bringing your attention to the sounds around you. Your environment plays a significant role in your thoughts and emotions. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can help you maintain a positive mindset and reduce negative thinking. This includes not only your physical surroundings, but also the people you spend time with. A positive environment can provide support, encouragement, and inspiration, helping you stay motivated and focused on your goals. On the other hand, a negative environment can reinforce negative thinking and make it harder to break free from negative thought patterns. To create a positive environment, start by decluttering your space. A clean and organized environment can reduce stress and create a sense of calm. Next, surround yourself with positive influences, such as uplifting books, inspirational quotes, and supportive people. Seek out relationships that uplift and support you, and distance yourself from those that bring negativity into your life. Physical activity is another powerful tool for overcoming negative thinking. Exercise has been shown to have numerous benefits for mental health, including reducing anxiety, improving mood, and increasing overall well-being. When you engage in physical activity, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. Regular physical activity can help you manage stress, improve your sleep, and increase your energy levels, all of which can contribute to a more positive mindset. It can also provide a healthy outlet for releasing tension and frustration. Incorporating physical activity into your daily routine doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Simple activities like taking a walk, doing yoga, or joining a fitness class can make a big difference. Find an activity that you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. Overcoming negative thinking is not an overnight process. It requires consistency and patience. Changing thought patterns takes time and effort, and there will be setbacks along the way. It's important to be patient with yourself and stay committed to the process. Consistency is key to developing new habits and reinforcing positive thinking. Set small, achievable goals for yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. For example, you might commit to practicing gratitude daily for a month or set a goal to challenge one negative thought each day. By setting realistic goals and staying consistent, you can gradually shift your mindset and reduce negative thinking. We have explored 5 powerful strategies to help you overcome negative thinking: practicing gratitude, challenging negative thoughts, using positive affirmations, visualization techniques, and mindfulness meditation. Each of these strategies offers unique benefits and can contribute to a more positive and fulfilling life. Remember, the journey to overcoming negative thinking is a personal one, and it's important to find the strategies that work best for you. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to the process. With time and effort, you can break free from negative thinking and embrace a more positive mindset.